Alright, Scott, here's our 2010 Silverado gauge cluster with RGB LEDs that we can change the color with the remote. And this is our stock gauge face on here. It prevents quite a bit of light from getting through. My outside, that's still dark. I need to do some cutting or add some LEDs to that. Let's see if I can get the gauge face off. See, it's preventing quite a lot of light from getting through. But it's going pretty well. I'm really at a loss here on getting these lit up. I still have some cutting to do. Although it's snapped in on both sides, the middle is bowed out, and I'll have to cut some on our white plastic to get that flat like it should be. But all in all, the project is pretty cool. So I'll post this for you. Let's see, it's 4:37. I think I will call it a day. But I'll post this for you and send you a link, and we'll get back on it tomorrow night. And I know you're going to have much more fun with your Silverado when you can change the colors on your gauges on your dash. All right, dude.